Hi, Scott Dillon at MarineMax, based out of Lewisville, Texas. We're up here today on Lake Texoma, taking a look at a new brokerage listing of mine. It's a 2019 Sea Ray 350 Sundancer Coupe. As you first step onto the transom of the boat, first thing everyone notices, really big swim platform. Does have the summer kitchen option, which I like. That way, if you're grilling back here, it keeps all the mess out of the inside of the boat. So if you get any grease drippings from hamburgers or hot dogs or anything, it just drips back here in the transom where it's easy to just scrub and wash off. Shuts down like that. That way, when you're backing back into your slip, you've got good visibility. U-shaped seating back here in the cockpit. Bench seat on the other side. This one was equipped with the electric sure shade, so this opens up nearly to the transom of the boat, giving you a lot more shade. Isotherm refrigerator. Storage underneath all of your seats, and of course this is the control for your cockpit AC. One of the nice things about a coupe, this boat does come with a cockpit AC, so you've got an AC vent here, one down here, one here, a couple more up on the dash. Does keep it substantially cooler inside. 105 degrees out, it's not going to keep it 70 degrees out here in the cockpit, but having cool air blowing on you, it's enough that it does make a noticeable difference. Being a coupe, this does have full glass all the way up to the hard top. Does have opening section and also pull down slides on either side, as well as a scoop, which is really nice as you're underway. It'll help pull in some air. There is a canvas package for this boat. Being 105 degrees out, we don't have it up today, obviously, but you can use it to enclose the back of the boat. Turn the AC or the heat on up here. That way, when the weather does get bad, you can still go out and go boating. So next, we're going to take a look down below. All right, so down below in the cabin, the sofa that I'm sitting on, you can see the pull tab. This pulls out to here and makes this a bed. You do have your vet up in the V berth. It's on kind of a 45. Smart way to do it. Gives you a little bit of a longer place to lay down without encroaching too much into the cabin of the boat. Pull out privacy curtain here. You can see the track running across for it. That way you can have privacy up front. Hanging locker over here, as well as a television here on this wall. It also pulls out to give you a little bit better view if you're sitting here on the couch, or if you're in the bed. Opening skylight over top of the bed. There's also a skylight here. That one does not open, but there is one there. Refrigerator, electric grill, microwave, sink. Of course, there's a generator on board, so you have regular outlet power. And inside the head, you've got separate shower and head, which is awesome in a 35-foot boat. And then, of course, midship cabin. Back underneath, it can either be two twins or the traditional configuration. You set it up like that to make a full. So, if you've got any questions on this or any other boat you see online, pick up the phone and give me a call. My cell number is going to be the best way to reach me. That number is 301-501-7123. Thanks a lot. I look forward to talking to you.